Hello everybody, today I will show you how to make this delicious 3-ingredient ice cream cake using my favorite ingredients, Malva pudding, tin roof ice cream and frozen berries. The measurements are down below in the description box. So you start off by lining a flat cake tin or deep dish with plastic wrap, and I use a 15 centimeter spring foam tin. Add your Malva and press to form a base. As you can see, I used a shop bought Malva that I warmed and cooled to ensure that it is pliable and ready to eat. Then you will let this mixture set in the freezer for about 15 minutes before adding to your ice cream. So I was invited for a braai, hence I decided to make this. And I must tell you, I was freaking out. A braai is a South African barbecue, and I was running out of time. One voice said,
Tuli, why did you leave dessert to the last moment?
Then I decided to listen to my other voice that said,
You can do this, girl. Come on. You'll make this dessert fabulous. I mean, what have you got to lose?
Hence, I came up with this dessert. So once your Malva has set, then you will start topping it up with your tin roof ice cream. You can actually substitute the flavors of this dessert. You can use a base of beautiful chocolate pudding and vanilla ice cream, or you can use vanilla base and berry ice cream. So really whatever tickles your fancy. And as you can see, my ice cream is quite soft, so I actually took it out 20 minutes before using it. But make sure that it's not too soft, otherwise it's going to take longer to freeze at the end of the day. And then you will cover that with plastic, and once you've covered it with plastic, you will freeze it for about 2 to 3 hours. And while it's freezing, get the family ready and yourself ready. And then once it's when it's frozen, you can actually run a knife around the cake tin. Otherwise, if you're using a bowl, you don't necessarily have to take it out of the bowl. You can actually use it from the bowl and serve it in the bowl. And as you can see, the spring foam tin really just makes the layers show beautifully. And then I'll top that up with frozen berries. The frozen berries add a beautiful tang to the ice cream cake. And then I wrap it up and take it to the venue or serve it if I'm serving it at home. And that's it, folks. Thank you so much for watching. Place it onto a beautiful platter or a plate. Please do subscribe to my channel. Ciao. Thanks for watching.